Do you believe in the
Serious
Quran or
question.
not?
What's your background?
My background?
Yeah, what's your...
This is my background.
Are you Christian?
I am a Christian. Yeah.
You're from India?
I am from India.
Why did you redeem it?
Why did you redeem it? Is this your best of Islam? This is the classical example of brainwashing. All jihadis, please make your way this way, please. Thank you. All jihadis, jihadi, hey my dear jihadi, please come here. Please come here. What's your name, sir?
What do you mean by jihad?
What's your name?
I think that's quite relevant.
Okay, what's your name?
X, you say my name is X.
You are jihadi X. So
I'm
do you
not jihad.
not a jihadi? Are you Muslim or not?
I am. What are you?
No, wait. If you are a Muslim, you are supposed to be a jihadi. Let's read the Quran for you, please. Surah 9, please read this one. Surah 9, Ayah 111. Please read this one. Could you please read this? Please, could you please read that aloud for me? Could you read this aloud or not?
No, if you referenced it, anyone can read it.
No, why are you scared?
I'm not scared. I'm reading it.
Could you read it aloud for me?
But by you saying to read it, you didn't specify to read it
I've
aloud.
asked multiple times already. Could you please read aloud?
By me reading it, what does that prove?
If I explain, are you scared? Don't be scared.
Why would I be?
Could you read this aloud for us
You
or
haven't
not?
told me your name. That's basic etiquette.
You're already panicking.
Why
I don't
would I panic?
trust people like you.
You
Who
said
can't
jihadi.
make sense.
Saying calling a Muslim jihadi is
Please.
Islamophobic.
Yeah, in your mind.
No.
Do
What
you
are
follow the Quran or not?
I don't know who you are.
Do you follow the Quran or not?
I'm a Muslim.
Yeah. Do you follow the Quran or not?
I'm a Muslim.
Are you scared right now to even say that you follow the Quran?
I'm not scared.
Do you follow the Quran
I'm not
or not?
scared of you, basically.
So please let's read the Quran.
No,
Would you
let
like
me-
to read the Quran?
My name is Wakas. What's your name?
Would you like to read the Quran?
I've read the Quran.
Would you like to read this for me right now?
Prove your point. What
Would you like to read this for me right now?
I don't know what you're
Would
trying
you
to...
like to read this for me right now?
Basic etiquette. My name is Wakas. Brother, what's your name?
Yeah.
So, what's your name?
You
Tell me
could-
who you are.
Wakas, my dear jihadi Wakas,
No.
please stay focused.
I don't want to speak to you.
Please keep
That's
going. Please keep going.
Islamophobic,
Please keep
brother.
going. Please keep going.
Do you
Please
worship
keep
an
going.
idol?
No,
How
sir,
can
are
you
you
worship
Muslim,
an
sir?
idol?
What's up? What is your problem? Are you Muslim, sir? What is your problem? I haven't
He's
got a
gonna
problem.
call
Are
you
Muslim?
jihadi. He's gonna call you jihadi.
Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry?
You can ask me.
You are staring at me. Why are you
Brother,
staring at
won't
me?
tell him your name.
You look a bit confused and you're staring at me.
Etiquette. He can't tell you his
I'm
name.
I'm
I don't
really
know your
wary
name,
of you.
brother.
Who the hell are you?
Looking at me appearing confused. I'm really wary of you.
He's just patronizing you. That's all he is.
My dear Muslim friends, is there any... Why are you so scared? Don't be scared. Look, you've got a huge bag. You can carry your weapons if you like. Don't be scared. Just move on.
Brother. Talking.
Amigo.
In a Bollywood movie.
Don't
Amigo.
waste your time. Please make your way. Make your friend. This is Speaker's Corner. Why are you wasting your time? Zishan is what? Maybe we'll go. We'll always keep it exclusive. Waste of time, waste of time. Don't worry, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Any Muslim who is worth... Hey Muslim! Don't come Don't come near me, my friend. Don't come. Look, you clearly haven't had your toilet break in a long time. Please keep panicking all the time. Please keep distance. Muslims, here is the challenge. Muslims follow a religion about which you haven't got a clue. Now, when you haven't got a clue, at the least be humble and want to learn. When you roam around thinking you know everything, when you are utterly clueless and be angry like that gentleman, even though he is near, he's young, or maybe his son, angry at Speaker's Corner. There is nonsense. You're not Muslims, are you? You're Muslims. So please, my dear Muslim friends, tell me how many Muslims here believe that the Quran has been preserved? How many Muslims? You believe the Quran is preserved, sir? Are you a Muslim, sir? Are you a Muslim? Do you think the Quran is preserved? Now every Muslim tells me the Quran is wonderfully preserved.
They've
Do
been
you believe in
changed.
this? Do you have any evidence for this? So you don't have any evidence. So don't. When you don't have evidence, don't claim. This is the classical example of brainwashing. People make you to believe in things for which you don't have evidence. That's not a good idea, my dear friend. If you have evidence, arrive at conclusions and come to a place like Speaker's Corner and claim the conclusions in public. Hello, sir. Are you Muslim, sir? Do you believe that the Quran has been preserved? Paul, please come. Paul, don't run away. Paul. Everyone else runs away. Why do you run away also? Look at Paul running away. Please get a record of that. See, even your Paul Williams runs away. Because he knows when people ask for evidence in relation to Islam, you are utterly clueless, blind believing followers. Hi, hello, my dear friend. Do you believe that the Quran has been preserved? Please, what evidence have you got?
I don't want to speak to you though.
Have you got any evidence or
Of
not?
course I do. I've got ears, I can listen.
Is there any Muslim who can provide evidence for claims?
Come here. We want you.
Are you Muslim, sir?
Me Muslim.
Please come here. He is a confused man. Wow. Look at the nuisance at Speaker's Corner. You see, this is why when we allow tourists, when we allow tourists to visit our nation, we need to check them properly before they enter in. See what they do to Speaker's Corner. They land at Speaker's Corner and this is what they do.
Yalla, he's speaker. Yalla.
Please come here. Speak to him. Why are you Muslim?
I have a question.
I
have a question.
Don't touch me.
Okay,
Why?
I have a question.
Why? Please.
No, answer me first. I have a question.
Don't
Answer me
dictate.
first.
Excuse me.
Answer me first. Talk to me.
Here.
Answer me first. Serious question.
Do you believe in the
Serious
Quran or
question.
not?
What's your background?
My background?
Yeah, what's your...
This is my background.
No. Are you Christian?
I am a Christian. Yeah.
You're from India?
I am from
I
India.
have one question, okay? Why did you redeem it? Why did you redeem it?
Is this your best of Islam?
Yalla. Why did you butter chicken? Yalla, out. Yalla.
Why did you redeem it?
Look, this is what we deal with. Look down.
Yalla. Go, make food. I want food.
Did you see the lunacy at Speaker's Corner? This is the level of intellect among Muslims. And this is why I'm asking you. Don't trust in these fellows. They will drag you down.